welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the June Boxycharm Premium box. We have this cute little pride theme thing that reminds me of the Monkey's Rainbow Room. Love it. So we've got our little card here with the prices and some info on all the things. So in no particular order, let's dive in. So first thing I grabbed is from Patrick Ta. This is the major volume mascara, and it retails for $29. So, an intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara. Custom double cut brush combs through and loads your lashes for ultimate volume lift and definition. That sounds pretty good. And it's like a hefty mascara too. I'm kind of not over how heavy that is. Ooh, what are we? So this is by the brand Shadow Moon, and I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a reusable shadow shield, and it's $15. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner for a perfect application. Oh, smart, smart. It doubles as an under-eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes. Cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff your under-eye area. It's designed with a grip, so no adhesive is needed. Let's see it. Oh. I beg to differ. There is no grippiness about it. That is just like normal, smooth silicone. Like, is it grippy if you get it wet, maybe? I don't know. Like, it's very, like, smooth and soft, and definitely, yeah, that would fit right under and everything while you're doing it, because that's usually where it lands. It doesn't have to be exact, but, I could see, like, doing that for the edges. That is really smart, actually. That is smart, since I end up using a lot of makeup wipes just cleaning up the shadow fallout. That's usually the main thing that I use makeup wipes for, that and creating the edge on eyeshadow. So I'm like, dude, this alone may be the product that eliminates 90% of makeup wipes for me. I might still have a few on here, but wouldn't need to have anywhere near as many. Like, honestly, that's amazing. I cannot wait to try that out. Once I try it, I'll review it and tell you if it's worth it or not, because in theory, that sounds great. In execution, I'm skeptical, but we'll see how she does, you know? So, let's put it over here for now. I'll put it in the bathroom after. And then we've got, from Persona, the Swipe Up Brow Gel. This is $19, and mine is in the color Warm Brown. So, Swipe Up Tinted Brow Gel is a clean, ultra-comfy, lightweight, waterproof brow gel that tints, shapes, and sets brows in one swipe. Flexible, medium hold for comfortable all-day wear, never stiff or crunchy. I'm curious if this is anything like the Benefit Gimme Brow one, because I love that one. If it's anything like that, I'd probably enjoy it a lot. The little diagram on the side makes me think that maybe it is, so we shall see. I have high hopes. I have high hopes. But yeah, that's $19 if I didn't say that already. Ooh, from Lorac, we have the Pro Palette Artist Edition Meraki. It's $45. This is what the box looks like. Apparently the colors are something like this. And it says, from the time Lorac was founded in 1995, I almost said 1955, what the hell? The brand has approached makeup artistry with the concept of Meraki in mind, doing things with soul, creativity, love, and devotion. This first ever Artist Edition palette was curated with a selection of 25 of Lorac's most loved shades by artists around the world. 25 shades from neutral browns to glistening golds and soft mauves that blend effortlessly onto the lid and last without creasing. Well, let's see what they actually look like. Because, yeah, we see the little picture on the back, but that isn't always, like, the greatest representation of what it really looks like. So, let's see. Oop, come on. Oh. What is on this? does it smell like a pencil? I guess that says literally the same thing the thing did. Deadass. This smells exactly like a pencil. Okay, so our color names are Cream, Sand, Canvas, Brulee, Light Brown, Cashmere, Rose, Candlelight, Champagne, Smoky Topaz, Cool Taupe, Terracotta, Clay, Mauve, Dusty Plum, 3D Mention, Gold, Brown Sugar, Rose Quartz, Cocoa, Corduroy, Cognac, Suede, Espresso, and Jet Black. So I'm going to cover the mirror here. These are actually a lot smaller pans than I was expecting, but yeah, I'm glad that I opened this up because, yeah, those pinky tones did not read pink at all in the photo on the box. Like, if I had just gone by that alone, I think I would have had probably zero interest in this palette, but actually seeing it with my eyeballs, it's a lot prettier. It's a lot prettier in real life. So I'm glad that we took a look at that, because otherwise I would have very potentially passed on this one. So I'm glad that I didn't do that, because I would have been missing out. What the hell is in here? That's like a plastic key or something. What is that? Is there like a lock on this eyeshadow palette? What the hell? I don't know what that is. Any of you guys know what that's for? Is it a security device? Is it a key? I don't know what that is. I'm intrigued though. The Rock, tell me your secrets. Why is it not fitting back in the box? Come on, get back in there. You fit in there before. What the hell is going on? Maybe it needs that in there to fit? I don't know. I don't know. Let's try it this way. I don't know that that's correct, but it may actually shut. Hold with me, technical difficulties. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna destroy this box trying to shut it, aren't I? Probably. Probably. You know what? Close enough. It can go there for now. Anyway, then we have from Ofra, the highlighter in Rodeo Drive, which I might have? Question mark? I want to say I do. This is $35 though. This gorgeous highlighter is a one-way ticket to your most radiant skin ever. It's made with light-reflecting pearl pigments to illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. Let's see. Oh, if I do have it, it's not in this packaging. This is in a square. Mine are in circles. Maybe I don't have it then. Like, I feel like that's darker? Maybe I'm mixing it up with Star Island. I know that the nail polish I have on right now is literally called Rodeo Drive, so who knows? Who knows? Maybe that's what I'm mixing it up with. But I thought I did, but that's not the color that I was thinking it was, so whatever. That's alright. But I do love Ofra highlighters, so I'm not mad either way. And then finally, from Glow Recipe, hey, it's a serum other than the dewdrops, thank God, which I'm on my final one of the sample sizes, then I just have the 2 full-size bottles now, so glad to have another one of these at the ready that's different. But this is, let's see here, the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And it's $42, and those plums look like something that aren't plums, if you ask me. Anyway, am I even allowed to show those on YouTube? I know they're fruit, but like, they look like something else. They look like a certain part of the female anatomy. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Water Gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deeper hydration. Is this the one that has, like, the really cute packaging? I want to say it is. I'm gonna break the seal on this just to take a look. I think it is. Because the other one looks like a little light bulb. This is the one that's like a round little plum, right? Yeah! Yeah! This is the one that, like, everybody has on their freaking vanity, right? Oh my god, I actually own the thing! Oh, I'm delighted by that. I love that little design. It's so cute. It's even got the little crease in it like a plum. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm sorry. I am so easily amused. But anyway, that's what I got in my June Boxycharm Premium box, which was honestly a pretty good box, if you ask me. So, anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.